how to customize a product page on Wix. So first, all you have to do is go and sign up for a free Wix account if you don't have yet. So go to sign up for a free Wix account or Wix.com sign up page. All you need to have is your email address, password, but you can also create a Wix account by just connecting it to your Google account or your Facebook account. Once you have your Wix account, then you should see this one. All sites that you have published or not published, you will see it right here. So if you want to create a new one, all you have to do is tap on this create new site right here. So for the meantime, for this tutorial, we will be focusing on how to customize your product page. So I will just select from any of my unpublished website right here. So for example, I'm going to edit this golden hour. I will be editing this the Velvet Groove, which is a hotel booking website. So select and edit site. Tap this one right here. Now this is the dashboard of my hotel booking website, and as you can see, this is an independent dashboard because whatever you add here or set up here, for example, your payment method or settings, it will be totally different from other sites that you haven't published. So whatever you add here, it will stay on this dashboard or on this site. So first and foremost, of course, you must have your Wix store. And what you're going to do in order for you to add a Wix store on your Wix is to by just tapping this design site right here. Okay, so what we're going to do in order for us to add the Wix store is just go to your add apps right here. Tap this one. This is the Wix app market. And what you're going to do here is you have to go to the search bar and then type Wix store. Okay, so Wix stores, tap this one. And then you need to install this to your site. So add the site, tap this, wait for a couple of seconds. And it's now adding Wix stores to your site. So once your Wix store is now installed to your Wix website or template, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on your pages and menu. Tap this one. And once you tap this, then you can see this store pages. And below store pages is this product page right here. So our tutorial is more focused on the product page. So we're going to tap this and customize everything here. So I just want to remind you that before you publish or before you go on with your Wix, you have to make sure that you follow all the steps right here to create or to set up your business. Okay, so you have to follow this. You have to complete the steps rather. So you have to complete the steps, and then once done, then you can now proceed with designing your site. Okay, so here is your product page. Now our tutorial or our website. Now my website is all about, I just say, hotel booking website. So in order for you to manage your product, all you have to do is tap this one right here and then click manage products. It will take you back to your dashboard where you can add products right here. But we will not be adding products. I will be adding pictures of my rooms on my Wix or on my hotel website. So I will be adding products, for example. So if you want to add a picture or image of your room, tap this one right here. Tap on physical product, add image, add videos. So tap add image right here. Okay, so this is the room. I'm going to add the product or room description, the opal chamber. Then let's just say, what is the description of this? So this room is refined elegance with velvet furnishings, chandelier, and marble bathroom. You can add more information and you can set a pricing of your product or of your business item right here. Once you have set the pricing, you can add custom text and then tap on save. Then Wix will ask you if you want to promote your product. So you can choose from any of the templates below. If you want to create ad campaign, create email campaign, create posts with AI, and so on. But actually this is not just as important for now. So we can tap on the X. And then, as you can see, if I want to add more, then I cannot do that because I'm just using the basic version of the Wix. So you can add more images, you can add videos and add product information and then tap on save. Now let's go back to our site. So if you're going to refresh this, so this is what it looks like. If you don't know how, and this is ano to? Okay, so here it is, as you can see. And in order for you to locate your product pages, you can just go to this side right here if you want to switch pages in order for you to edit everything easily. So this is the product page, and if you want to basically edit everything, for example, if you want to manage the products, just go again, tap on manage products. If you want to go to settings and then change the font style, font size, everything here, then you can tap on settings. This is the me. If you want to customize page, tap this one. You can select product page layout, for example, classic, slick. Okay. You can also tap on stunning, spotlight, simple. So everything is up to you. For me, I think the best is slick. Okay. You can also toggle on this stretch to full width if you want, or just toggle this one off. You can also tap show thumbnails or resize, crop or fit. Everything is up to you. Okay, now for settings, you can also add what to be displayed here on your product page info, like info sections. But actually this one is not necessary. So I don't want to select this one. You can also deselect something here, any of the information that you think is unnecessary. Okay, so show button, add to cart. I just want to turn this one off. And then also the buy now I want to turn it off. Now, display share icons, yes, you can just basically turn this one off if you don't want. But if you want to promote your page, your website, then turn this one on and add your accounts, social media links here. Text, you can change the text. For text, let's say available. You can change this to available, something like that. Oh, sorry, you can change this to available. Okay, you can change this to available. Wish list, you can add wish list. Let store members see their favorite products. You can add this one on. And then after that, once you have added the wish list, you can go to design. So you can change background borders right here. You can decrease or increase the background borders if you want. Also for the product details, okay, so you can select product details alignment. Okay, everything is up to you. Custom name, okay, if you want to change the color, it's up to you. You can just basically change everything here. Okay, dark, or for the payment options, light, price breakdown. You can change the color. You can custom everything here, and so on with the text. Okay, so go back for the buttons. You can change the button style and appearance. Everything is up to you. Now, info section, if you want it to be like this, collapse. If you want this to be like tabs, okay, everything is up to you. Columns, for me, collapse, okay, and then info section. You can also change the background opacity and color here, divide the opacity and color. Title paragraph color, you can change this one. Okay, paragraph, the body, you can change this one. And then table borders and so on. You want to change that table background, if you want to change everything here. Okay, just go to design. And then social media bar, default, dark, or light, everything is up to you. Okay, and if you want to upgrade, just tap on upgrade. Yeah, so basically that's how you customize your product page. Again, just go to the spot right here, select product page, and you can just basically change everything here. This is what it looks like. So feel free to edit again. And here is the result. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's the same thing also if you have added product, like if you're selling any product t-shirt, or let's just say accessories and so on. This is how you edit your product page. So feel free to publish, but preview first before you publish. And basically, that's how easy it is. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.